Hey techies, my name is Delight. Welcome to another beautiful edition of Techuncode Tech Review. Today I will be reviewing this big boy here, and that is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro. If you know anything about Tecno, then you know that their Camon series is very camera centric. So if you are into that sort of thing being, you like taking pictures, you like taking selfies, you like making amazing, beautiful pictures, then stay with me while I unbox. Every time that I have to unbox a phone, I feel like my heart is pounding. Like, I can't wait to see the beauty that will be unboxed. So let me take you guys through this unboxing. Yeah, so the phone first. So this looks really, really good. And then I haven't even brought it out from the wrap. Oh, it's a bit... Okay, here we go. Love this. It looks really gorgeous. It has a plastic back. Lovely. It's a bit glossy, so it can feel slippery in your hands, but I'm sure that by the time you have a pouch on this, it should be fine. So this is really amazing for people who like to work on the go, but don't want anything bulky on their hands. This also is a really good one. It's not very slim, so I'm not really thrilled with that. I wish it was way slimmer than this. I expected it to be way slimmer than this. But yeah, let us see other things that are in the box. So here it comes with a 1-year warranty, which is really amazing. Has a transparent phone pouch. I love it. If you buy a really gorgeous color, transparent packs are like the way to go. Comes in a charger. Always a fan of chargers that have this 3 points here. I don't have to go about looking for an adapter to plug my phone when I'm somewhere. So I will be unboxing this. Has a Type-C charger. The cable looks a little bit short, so you always have to keep your phone very close. You may not be able to press your phone while you're charging. Also comes with an earpiece. Love it. There is a pin here if you need to open the SIM ports. This is a pin that you can use to open it. So now to the phone proper. First off, I love this color. It's the Echo Black, but it's giving purple hues, it's giving blue hues, whatever. I just really love the color. It is also a 6.8 inches phone. They also say it's their ultra thin phone. It's a 0.98 millimeter phone. So this is, well, I mean, it's not as slim as I expected. I'll say that, but it's really, really is a slim phone. So we all want a phone that we can multitask with, and we also all want a phone that we can save as many pictures and documents as possible, especially in this time where people work on their phones. So we'll be looking at the storage of this phone. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro is an 8 gig RAM phone. Actually, it's an 11 gig RAM, but they give you 8 gig RAM, and then there's a virtual 3 gig RAM. So that means you can actually extend or expand the RAM as you want. So it's a total of 11 gig RAM, and this helps you multitask. You can have multiple apps on your phone or running in the background without actually slowing down your phone. And then for the memory, you have 256 gig RAM. So you can save as much pictures, videos, and documents as possible without quickly running out of storage. Next up, we'll talk about the battery of the phone. If you are in a place where there's no constant electricity, then maybe this is a phone that you want to consider, because this is a 5000 mAh battery, and on full charge you can use this at least half the day. So this is overall a good phone. So what are you really going to do with all this battery life anyway? Now, if you are a gamer, you want to really consider this phone, because apart from the battery and amazing storage and amazing everything, this phone has a resolution of 1080p. Not only that, it also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Not only that, it also comes in a MediaTek Helio G96 processor. Guys, like, this is a game changer if you are a gamer. Pun intended. Like, you're going to absolutely enjoy your gaming experiences on this phone. It gives you amazing visuals. Like, you literally will feel like you are inside the game. And not just gamers, movie lovers are not exempted. You get to, you feel like you are in the cinema, literally. You just get to enjoy this cinematic experience with this phone. Just, because of the size, the resolution, and the processor. So, like I said earlier, if you know Tecno, then you know that their Camon series is camera and video centric. So let's jump right into the camera. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro features a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. This features on this phone is very plenty. I don't even know where to start. The camera is amazing, very true to color, doesn't look overly edited, and it does, like, if you're moving around, maybe you're in a poorly lit room and then you're moving around trying to get good lightings. It doesn't the color doesn't change as you move around. So I love it. This is the beauty mode. Portrait mode, still amazing. The AI cam gives a little bit of an edited look. Perhaps that's the point. It gives a little bit of an edited look. So may not be my best option, but overall, the front-facing camera is amazing. Now, the rear camera features a 64 megapixel. Like, this is so amazing. And I kid you not, you would love the pictures that you take on this phone. You would love them. So if you love cameras, you love to take pictures, you love to document memories, please, 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 this is a phone that you should consider. If you're a music lover, I know that you're probably wondering, is there anything here for me? Well, I'm here to tell you yes. If you love to listen to music, then you would absolutely enjoy listening to music on the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, because you get the absolute vibe of any song that you listen to on this phone. I cannot even complain about the sound. 100% yes. So just to recap, amazing battery, amazing camera, huge storage, great display and refresh rates for game lovers and movie lovers. But there's even more. The Tecno Camon 19 Pro runs on the latest Android version, the Android 12, and the latest Tecno iOS 8.6. This amazing device goes for 166,000 naira. And truly, for the value that it gives, the price is absolutely worth it. And that's why we at Techuncode rate this an 8.5. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in our next video. My name is Delight. This is Techuncode, and we're simplifying African technology.